First one is find the value of log 9 base 2 whole square. Log 9 base 2 whole square whole power log 2 of log 9 base 2 log 2 of log 9 base 2 into root 7 whole power 1 by log 7 base 4 log 7 base 4. This question has come in 2018 JEE Advanced. Now solution is the product of two logarithms here. First one is log 9 base 2 whole square into 1 by log 2 of log 9 base 2 into root 7 whole power 1 by log 7 base 4. Now here first let us take log 9 base 2 is equal to some constant a. From this 9 is equal to 2 power a. 9 is equal to 2 power a. Now the first logarithmic function is log 9 base 2 whole square whole power log 2 of log 9 base 2 which is equal to, but log 9 base 2 is a. Log 9 base 2 is a square into 1 by log of, again log 9 base 2 is a. Log 9 base 2 will be a, which is equal to a into a square 1 by log a base 2 can be written as log 2 base a square whole power 1 by log a base 2 which is equal to a square into 1 by log a base 2 is equal to log 2 base a, because log a 1 by log a base b is equal to 1 by log b base a, which is equal to a into, we know that m log a is equal to log a power m, then it will be 2 square whole power 2 square base a, which is equal to a into log 2 square 4 base a. Again log 4 base a is equal to a power log 4 base a is equal to 4. This is equation 1. A power log 4 base a is equal to 4. Now second function is root 7 into 1 by log 7 base 4. Now here let us take log 7 base 4 is equal to constant b. Log 7 base 4 is equal to b. From this 7 is equal to, converted into exponential form, 7 is equal to 4 power b, which implies 7 is equal to 2 power 2b, because of 4 can be written as 2 square whole power b will be 2 power 2b. Applying square root on both sides, root 7 is equal to 2 power 2b. Root 7 is equal to root 2 power 2b. From this, root 7 is equal to 2 power 2b whole power 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Implies root 7 is equal to 2 power b. Root 7 is equal to 2 power a. Then substitute in this. Now second function is root 7 whole power 1 by log 7 base 4, which is equal to, but root 7 is 2 power b whole power 1 by log 7 base 4 is b. b gets cancelled, which is equal to 2. Now product of 1 and 2. Product of two functions. First one is 4. We got second one 2. 4 into 2, which is equal to 8. So answer is 8.